Okay, so join it fast. Please tell your friends to join immediately. Ask them to join immediately so that we will resume very fast. How many are there? 8. Okay. Ask them to join immediately. I dropped the message on your group. Meanwhile, anyone is having any issues, any queries, they can discuss with me. If anybody is having any doubt, please ask me. Mr. Satyavan More, any doubt? Okay, Prajakta, any doubt? Mr. Kapil Ronge. Am I audible, everyone? Okay, so let's start once again. So poor cards, I think now you remember what is the poor cards and all that. It's nothing but scheduling of the concreting. In simple words, कॉन्क्रीट कधी कधी कुठे कुठे टाकायचं आहे, कसं टाकायचं आहे, ते आरएमसी प्लॅन मधून येणार आहे, मग त्याचं शेड्यूलिंग काय, pouring cards basically. Then shuttering, erected line and level as per the working drawings. Okay, whatever the shuttering that you have provided, you have to erect that shuttering as per the line level or whatever the drawing that you have with care, proper care. Then next part, cover to the reinforcement provided to all RCC elements. Very important. What is meant by clear cover or cover to the reinforcement? I think you have seen this on many working site. So covering is being provided on the slab, beam, column. For every structural element, we are having the clear, we called it as clear cover. Okay. So clear cover, what does it indicate? Basically, it will keep the distance between the concrete and the reinforcement. Otherwise, घर बांधले आणि सर कॉलम एखादा कॉलम मध्ये कॉर्नरला तुम्हाला गज दिसताय बाहेर, गज हा बाहेरून दिसतो का आपल्याला रेन्फोर्समेंट लावलेली नाही दिसत. जी रेन्फोर्समेंट जी जाळी असते ही, जो कॉलम तुमचा उभा आहे हे कॉलमच्या वरती बाहेरचं कव्हर काय, कॉन्क्रीटचं कव्हर आहे. ठीक आहे. आणि आतमध्ये कुठेतरी लोकेशन वरती सपोज कॉलम आहे, कॉलमला क्लिअर कव्हर माझा 40 mm असतो, मग माझ्या 40 mm कॉन्क्रीट फोडतोय मी, त्यावेळेस फोडल्यानंतर आतमध्ये 40 mm वरती मला ते स्टील रेन्फोर्समेंट दिसणार आहे का, ते गुड्यावरती दिसते डायरेक्टली बाहेरून नाही. So whatever the spacing that we are going to provide, that is nothing but clear cover, we called it as. Okay, so clear cover, that is covered to reinforcement. In the upcoming lecture again I will give you some details about this. That has been again necessary to provide it on the site. Next work, monitoring all the activities as per the day scheduled or the planned. Okay, again very important for you, whatever the work that is being scheduled or activities, you have to monitor it on that day only. Your scheduling should be there per day. Sir, today I am going to finish the column work. Sir, today I am going to finish this beam work or this staircase work or this excavation work. So whatever the activities you have planned, you have to complete it on the same day. If any problem persists, insist, it may come, then you can change your schedule, but you have to recover that particular activity on the next day. Then projection for the cash flows and ensuring all payments in time to all labors and the materials. Now we are having the habit of making the payments weekly. आजकाल आपल्याकडे जे वर्करचं पेमेंट केलं जातं जनरली कन्स्ट्रक्शन साइट वरती, हे वीकली केलं जातं. ठीक आहे. I think, I don't know in Solapur what is that date, but in Ahmednagar I can describe my native place example. आमच्याकडे दर मंगळवारी जे काय लेबर्स असतात साईटवरती काम करणारे त्यांचं दर मंगळवारी पेमेंट केलं जातं. ऑन एव्हरी ट्यूजडे दे आर हॅव्हिंग द हॉलिडे अँड दे विल गेट देअर पेमेंट ऑन वीकली बेसिस. I don't know details about the Solapur when the holiday is there for the laborers. It may be on Tuesday or it may be on other day. I just know. If somebody is having, they can share with me. So ensuring all the payments, that is not only restricted to laborers, but that is again restricted to materials also. And projection of the cash flows. That means whatever the expenditure which is going to happen during that project. एक खिळा विकत घेतलाय त्या खिळ्याचा सुद्धा हिशोब तुमच्याकडे पाहिजे त्या दिवशी. त्या खिळ्याचं बिल सुद्धा तुमच्याकडे पाहिजे. each and every expenditure that you have made to purchase the material, you should have the bills for the same. Why these bills are required? Because after every project there is structural audit, there is financial audit for every after 6 months or maybe after every project, and again in the month of March every year, financial year we call it as. So audit is there, and in that audit you have to show, you have to give them all the records for that particular project. Sir, एक खेळा घेतला होता 10 रुपयाचं बिल आहे आणि हे 10 रुपये हे पहा, याचं हे बिल आहे, हे आम्ही इथे मेन्शन केलेलं आहे. 1 रुपयाचा सुद्धा गफला नको. But in our construction sector, as I said, civil is having very beautiful meaning. CIVIL, that is creation is very important life, but people have taken it in a wrong way and they have considered it as a corruption is very important in life. The meaning is same CIVIL, but meaning they have taken it in a different way. Okay, so projection of the cash flows and ensuring all the payments in time to all the labors and the materials, that is again important. Then curing system to be provided to ensure effective curing. Whatever the structure you are going to build it, you should have a proper curing system. Okay, so pani marnare jala bhisti, in English there is word we called it as bhisti, BHISTI, bhisti. Bhisti means the person who is going to spread the water while working on the site. So that bhisti, whether he is having the proper system, proper water arrangement is there, or whether that site is having proper curing system, plenty amount of water is been present, so that you need to check. So curing system, or whether you are using some absorbers, water absorbers, or you are using gunny bag system, ponding method, whatever the method you are going to do it, you are going to provide it, you should have proper curing system. So you need to pay attention towards this also. Then work method assessment for all the activities obtained from all the vendors to ensure that particular vendors. I have quoted this, that is 4 main vendors and ensure approval from the 4 again contractors, sub vendors. Okay, so from the main vendors means the person to whom you are going to give your work, or who is going to supply you the material or manpower, whatever it may be, that person we called it as a vendor. Then third role or next role, that is quality assessment, quality control, and then the quality administration plan that you should have, quality activity plan we called. Then planned, see, while working on the site, you should follow this particular tendency: plan, do, act, and check. Okay, that is the concept PDAC or PADC, something like that. You have to plan, you have to act, you have to do it, and you have to check it. So that is the basic principle that you have to follow while working on the site. So that particular PDAC concept will include your quality assessment, quality control, quality administration, that is quality audit we can say, which includes your third party auditing. Okay, then next is acceptance of the test results and the registers, that you need to check. Then acceptance test, that is from the different whatever the NABL accredited labs, whatever the material that you have to purchase. Okay, that you need to check. What is RFI and all that, again we'll proceed with the next slides. So some beautiful pictures that I am having, I have included in this particular presentation. See the particular slab, it's Now if you are going to see, it's a continuous slab is there. Okay, a big slab having size around more than 50 feet long and 50 feet width. So such erections work you need to check. Okay. Now project team. For completing the project in a successful manner, you have the organization chart with you. Now what that organization chart is there, sir? Anybody can tell me what is that organization chart? So that organization chart will start, it's a simple chart which indicates who is the project manager on that particular site, PM we called it as, who is the senior engineer on that particular site, who is the junior engineer on that particular site, who is the safety manager or safety engineer on that particular site, how many laborers are there, who is the contractor, all the details with their contact number, with their designation is being mentioned in the organization chart. Okay, so basic, some simple example I'm just want to describe you. Then client interface. What that means, details about the client, of which party you have taken the work, then roles and responsibilities. Then communication is again important part in our project or in our team. Then information flow, that is from one party, one member to the other, to the third one, to the fourth one in the proper sequence. Then arrangement of the documentation, then authority, control and leadership. That is what we required in the project team, and cost and scheduling. One more thing to add. Next, materials and method. See, these are nothing but the contents of the project team. स्वतःचा बिझनेस चालू करायचा, या गोष्टी तुमच्याजवळ असल्या पाहिजेत, या गोष्टीचं प्लॅनिंग तुमच्याजवळ असलं पाहिजे. Then and then only you can successfully complete or successfully going to do all this work. Then contract documents with respect to the plans or the specifications, contract administration, then safety and quality and management change. If there is change in the management, suddenly project manager is going to change, suddenly some senior engineer is going to change, so different person is having their own perspective to complete that project, so style of execution will change. So again, that is the important part in your project team. So organization chart, as I said earlier, project manager नेमकं कोण कोण असलं पाहिजे. सो प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजर ओव्हरऑल और इन्क्लुडिंग प्रोजेक्ट इंजिनिअरिंग, त्या प्रोजेक्टसाठीचा ओव्हरऑल प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजर असला पाहिजे, किंवा फक्त टेक्निकल इंजिनिअरिंग रिलेटेड जे आस्पेक्ट्स आहेत ते चेक करण्यासाठी प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजर असला पाहिजे. देन डिसिप्लिन असिस्टंट सुपरिटेंडेंट, दॅट इज फील्ड सुपरवायझर वी कॉल्ड इट एज. ठीक आहे. त्यानंतर other subcontractor team is there, that is with the part of your organization chart. Now in the project engineering, again, along with this particular project engineer, what is his team? Now the project engineer will take a lead to execute that project in successful manner, along with field engineer, quality control engineer, then purchasing agent, it may be your billing engineer we called it as, then different vendors or the suppliers, then information controller, that is information flow, as I said earlier, from passing the message from one party to the other party and executing that particular work, and payment and cost, that is billing engineer, again the same thing, that is nothing but the part of our organization chart. Then safety includes safety engineer, just one person or its representative. Generally safety audit is there, it is very mandatory. Now I can give you one simple example for the safety, or what the safety supervisor or safety engineer will do on the site. Now most of the local contractors or the developers, they don't have any safety engineer or safety safety, what we call rules and regulations with them. What general rules say, you should be away from a JCB if JCB is in working condition, and the minimum distance that you have to keep is 3 meters. At least 3 meters you have to keep the distance from the JCB. Then you have to use the ladder, whatever the ladder, along with the hat, compulsory. If you are working on a G plus, if you are working on the first floor, or if you are working on the second floor, you have to use the ladder. There is no any other shortcut. And while using that ladder, you should have the safety helmet. You have wear the helmet. that is mandatory. You have the safety shoes you have weared, because whatever the nails or some, त्याला म्हणतो साईडवरती खिळा टोचल्याशिवाय सिव्हिल इंजिनियरची ओळख नसते, पण खिळा टोचूनच घ्यायचा नाहीये. सेफ्टी शूज इज मॅन्डेटरी ऑन द साईट. ओके. सो इफ यू आर युझिंग द रोपवेज ऑल्सो, एखादा पेंटर जो आहे तो पेंटिंगचं काम करतोय 10व्या मजल्यावरती, त्या रोपवे साठी बरोबर अटॅचमेंट केलेली आहे का? ठीक आहे, सेफ्टी अमेंडमेंट. देन वन मोर थिंग, आय थिंक everybody has noticed that jacket you are going to observe, correct आहे. एक जॅकेट तुम्ही ऑब्झर्व करता, थिन ज्याला नेट असते, जाळी असते बघा, असं छानसं जॅकेट तुम्ही ऑब्झर्व करता, ते जे वर्कर्स साईट वरती काम करत असतात. ठीक आहे. व्हॉट दिस जॅकेट इज रिप्रेझेंटिंग ऍक्च्युअली? एनीवन? हे काय शोक म्हणून किंवा त्या कंपनीची आयडेंटिटी किंवा आपण साईट वरती काम करतोय म्हणून ती आयडेंटिटी आहे? येस, ऑफकोर्स ती आयडेंटिटी तर आहेच, बट on that particular jacket there is a, we called it as a what we call radium. Yes, like this, there is one attachment of the radium plate, radium sheets. Okay, so if you are working in the night, that radium will glow. ठीक आहे. रोड साईडला जसे सायनिंग बोर्ड्स जे बघता ना, रेडियम वरती कलर केलेले असतात संध्याकाळी, टेकिंग डायव्हर्जन्स वगैरे, तसेच ते रेडियम सारख्या नेट जाळी असते ती तुमच्या त्या जॅकेटला लावलेली असते, ऑन दी फ्रंट साइड एज वेल एज ॲट दी बॅक साइड. ओके. आणि याचा फायदा काय होतो? इफ यू आर वर्किंग इन द नाईट और इफ यू आर वर्किंग इन द नाईट डार्क मोड, that radium will glow and it will indicate no, that person or some worker is there who is working on that particular site. Okay, so that is very important. नुसतं जॅकेट काय एक ओळख म्हणूनच घालायचं आहे कंपनीला किंवा काम करताना नाही. त्या जॅकेटचे त्याचा मेन टेक्निकल पॉइंट हा आहे की दॅट विल रिप्रेझेंट यू, युअर आयडेंटिटी, अँड दॅट विल हेल्प यू इफ यू आर वर्किंग इन द नाईट मोड, ॲट द नाईट इफ यू आर वर्किंग. ओके. So that is the legal aspect that you should ensure about the safety. Then accounting and clerical office manager, project manager. What is the role of the project manager? Okay, काय काय रोल असतात प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजर? मेन क्लायंट इंटरफेस. इंटरफेस means communication, direct communication, or it may be your telephonic communication or whatever, any type of communication. Direct means face to face conversation between the main client and the project manager. Because no client, no customer will approach the labor or junior engineer. हा तुम्ही ज्युनियर इंजिनियर आहात, मग ही पायरी आम्हाला अशी पाहिजे किंवा आम्हाला ही टाईल, विट्रिफाईड टाईल वापरायची. No one will go, no customer will go to you. That customer will approach the project manager and he will tell his whatever the additions or subtraction that he has to make in his project. So there is direct connection between your project manager and that particular client. The next is risk management. Again, it is totally assigned with the project management. Whatever the risk, untoward incidents, if any are going to happen, or risk about the material, manpower, execution, everything is associated with the project manager. Then problem solver. Again, this is the main role of the project manager. If any hurdle is going to happen, if any difficulties are there, that project manager is the responsible person who is going to resolve your all queries and design coordination. Okay. Then control of the information, contract administration, documentation, and the change in the management, if any. Again, these are the roles which are associated with the project manager. So project control, how you are going to control the project and what things that you need to focus on. So resources to build a project, good project management sets up the project controls for what you are going to include in this project: labor, equipments and materials, subcontracts, and the construction equipments. So everything you have to include in that particular project. Okay, project controls. So that is what we are going to see. I think we'll stop here for this particular time, though we are having the plenty of time with us. I think it's 4:44, 4:45, but I want to conclude this lecture for this time only. If you are having any doubt for this particular lecture, please put it in the chat box, or the forum is open for you. So you can ask me questions related to this today's part. Anyone? आजचा पाठ समजलाय? Please respond. Anyone? Prajakta, Pranali, Pratiksha, Satyajit. Then everyone present over here. आशिष बोराडे यांना प्रश्न विचारेल मी. समजते आशिष? You can unmute and you can tell me. Or Mahesh, Bharti Mahesh. Anyone? Sanjeevani?
हो सर समजते.
व्यवस्थित आहे ना? काही डाऊट, काही शंका?
हो. नो सर.
Okay. So your remark is on behalf of all that 24 participants. I hope everyone is getting whatever I am teaching. Please tell me, sir, थोडंसं slow चला, थोडंसं fast चला, खूप छान चाललेलं आहे. You can give me the suggestions also. Mahesh, okay, everything okay? Pranali? Who is present?
हाँ सर.
ओके. काही अडचण असल्यास विचारत चला, कारण हा खूप बेसिक भाग आहे की जो तुम्हाला साइट वरती एक्झिक्यूट करायचा आहे किंवा तुम्हाला ऍटलीस्ट रोल तरी माहित पाहिजे काय काय करायचं आपल्याला. ठीक आहे?
हाँ.
ओके. I will give you 2 minutes if you are having any doubt. Otherwise, we'll stop this lecture for this particular time. If anyone is having any doubt, अरे विचार रे. साइट वरती जायचं काम करायचं ना सगळ्यांना. सगळ्यांना कुठेही जा, गव्हर्नमेंट सेक्टर मध्ये जा, प्रायव्हेट सेक्टर मध्ये जा, बिलिंगला जा, डिझायनिंगला जा, या गोष्टी खूप इसेन्शियल आहेत, बेसिक आहेत. मी परत एकदा रिपीट करतोय, स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन एसएससी मध्ये क्वांटिटी सर्वेअर नावाची सेपरेट पोझिशन असते की ज्यामध्ये रिक्रुटमेंट असते सिव्हिल इंजिनियरची डायरेक्ट. एक सिव्हिल इंजिनियर एक म्हणून फोरम असतं आणि एक क्वांटिटी सर्वेअरची रिक्रुटमेंट असते. अशा 2 पोझिशन्स असतात. तुम्ही या सब्जेक्ट मध्ये जर थोडं इंटरेस्ट आहे आणि घ्यावाच लागतो, मॅन्डेटरी आहे साइट वरती, त्याशिवाय होत नाही काय. ठीक आहे? नेमकं साइट वरती काय करायचंय आता बघा. हे जे आपलं लेक्चर चालले, तुम्हाला काहीतरी नवीन गोष्टी ऐकायला भेटतात, बरोबर आहे? You are going to listen something new and something different which you haven't learned. I hope or I think that you haven't learned this part before this. Actually, what is the role of project manager, supervisor, engineer, billing काय असतं. आता in the further lecture I will tell you what registers that you have to maintain, what things that you have to learn in our upcoming lecture. So once again, if there is any doubt, please ask me. Amruta, any doubt? Akash Borbanikar? Akash, Samarth?
No, sir.
Everything?
Yes sir.
Huh?
Yes sir.
Everything is fine, going well?
Yes sir.
Okay then. Good. My wish is you can ask me lots of questions, because this is part I'm give you guarantee that you will find it very interesting. There's something new we are learning, because this part is not associated previously in your syllabus. That is why this subject is very interesting, and it bears maximum weightage of 200 marks, not 100 marks. Okay, so quick, I will take your attendance. Those who have missed out the attendance in the first, they have the chance to gain that. Roll number 6, 7, Ahit, 13 take. Roll number 2, I think she is new. Sanjeevani, first session miss kele. Don't miss out any lectures. Roll number 45, Sakib. नवीन ऍड झालेले आहेत मेंबर्स. 53 आहेत, 57 आहेत, 63. आकाश आहेत का? आहेत. समर्थ, you joined very late. Why?
सर जर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम होता, त्यात नेट मारलं, पॅक संपलं होतं.
Okay, network problem. Shweta, any difficulty? You can unmute and you can talk. Rohini, roll number 3. Any doubt? I think no one is having any doubt. Gnaneshwar? Okay, chalo. So I think I have quoted I have marked your attendance. I hope it is correct. 26 members are there right now. So please make sure attendance is not 26, it is 70 to 100% attendance I am expecting. So don't miss any lectures. And one more thing, I think still I'm going to repeat. Hello. Pawar sir already told you about the apparent registrations. Okay. So one more, again I'm going to repeat that. मराठीतच सांगेल. प्रोव्हाइड केलेली आहे. कोर्ससाठी जर एनरोल केले तर कोर्ससाठी तुम्हाला 3000 रुपये कॉलेज, त्या कोर्ससाठी कॉलेज तुम्हाला 3000 रुपये पे करत आहे. आणि ते जे कोर्सेस जर तुम्ही बघताल, ती जे लिस्ट जर बघताल, त्याच्यामध्ये इटॅब आहे, रिवेट आहे, आय थिंक स्टॅट प्रो, ब्रिज रिलेटेड सॉफ्टवेअर कोर्स आहे. आणि हे कोर्स जर मार्केटमध्ये जर तुम्ही गेलात, प्राईमवेरा वगैरे पुण्यामध्ये जर चौकशी केली, ठीक आहे, या कोर्सची किंमत कमीत कमी 8000 रुपीज प्लस एवढी किंमत आहे, 8000पेक्षा जास्त आहे. सो यू हॅव द ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी नाव that you can learn the software if you are having the computer or the laptop with you. Please, my humble request, you please attend, you please make registration and enroll for that particular courses. It will be very useful and helpful for you. बरेच लोक साईट, सगळेच जण 100% साईट वरतीच काम करणार आहेत असं काही नाही. कुणी जर डिझाईन वरती बॅक ऑफिसला जर काम करताल, मोस्ट ऑफ द गर्ल्स और द बॉयज, जर कोणी बॅक ऑफिस मध्ये एसी मध्ये बसून जर काम करणार असेल तर तुम्हाला इटॅब, रिवेट हे सॉफ्टवेअर असं आहे की जे मॅन्डेटरी आहे. जर तुम्हाला बॅक ऑफिस मध्ये जर काम करायचं असेल तर साईट वरती तुम्हाला डिझायनिंगचा पार्ट करायचा, स्टॅट प्रो, इटॅब हे मॅन्डेटरी सॉफ्टवेअर्स आहेत. याचं नॉलेज असणं तुम्हाला गरजेचं आहे. ठीक आहे. सो माय रिक्वेस्ट टू एव्हरीवन, प्लीज एनरोल फॉर द कोर्सेस. ठीक आहे. ब्रिज रिलेटेड जर तुम्ही साईट वरती काम करत असाल तर ते कोर्सेस किंवा हे सॉफ्टवेअर्स तुम्हाला खूप मदतगार ठरतील. कारण हे कोर्सेस बाहेर, या सॉफ्टवेअर्स हे जे तुम्ही लर्न करणार आहात त्याची मार्केटमध्ये बाहेरची किंमत आहे जास्त आहे. ठीक आहे. सो कॉलेज हॅज डन समथिंग गुड फॉर यू. कॉलेज हॅज टेकन इनिशिएटिव्ह. 3000 रुपये कॉलेज पे करताय. तर वन्स अगेन प्लीज enroll yourself for the software training program which will be helpful for you while working on the site. Not on the site, but if you're working in the design or in the offices, so definitely this will help you. And again, it will increase your knowledge, it will make your resume strong, that you are having a good hand on the ETAB, you are having the good hand on the Revit software or on the STAAD Pro. ठीक आहे. तुम्ही स्वतःचं साईट, स्वतःचा बिझनेस चालू करू शकताय फक्त डिझायनिंग वरती. मला स्टॅड प्रो खूप चांगलं जमते सर, मी स्टॅड प्रो वरती डिझाईन सप्लाय करतोय. माझ्याकडे क्लायंट येतात, कस्टमर येत आहेत, स्टॅड प्रो किंवा रिवेट मध्ये किंवा इटॅब मध्ये तुम्ही स्टील डिझाईन, स्ट्रक्चरल डिझाईन प्रोव्हाइड करताय. स्वतःचा बिझनेस चालू करू शकता तुम्ही, स्वतः एक एंटरप्रेनर होऊ शकता. एक खूप चांगला प्रोजेक्ट, एक खूप चांगला इनिशिएटिव्ह घेतलेला आहे कॉलेजनी. ठीक आहे. तुम्ही प्लीज त्या कोर्सेसला एनरोल करा आणि ते सॉफ्टवेअर्स किंवा जे कोर्स आहे ते लर्न करा. ठीक आहे. So with this note, I will conclude this lecture. Thank you for your participation. I hope more attendance from your side. This is just 25 numbers. Okay. So with this, we will conclude. Thank you. Thank you very much. So I will end up this part. Thank you.